Good morning.
Morning.
Good
Just
morning.
in time,
Good
Viren.
morning.
Just in time.
Absolutely. So
Yes.
we are in the
So-
just-in-time world.
Good morning.
आज मीटिंग कितने बजे होती है? 7:30.
8
क्या
o'clock.
करें?
It's 7.
7:35.
Atul ji,
हाँ जी.
नहीं 7:35 पे होता है कोई?
just help me positioning your pin, our e-growth pin.
मैं आ जाता हूँ. वैसे काम.
Yeah. So okay. So let us start, and we'll have the remaining chit chat after in the post meeting hours. All right. So Virendra ji, all yours.
So first of all, good morning, everyone. And as we all are, I think today there is no guest.
We have guests.
We
We have Shivani, we have
So
We've got
We
4
have-
guests.
Dipen.
Manoj ji is for the first
Manoj
time, I think.
ji
And,
hai, and Dipan Garg ji hai, and we
हाँ
have
जी।
Sanjeev Bhandari.
Yes.
Right. So good morning and welcome our guest, Mr. Manoj, Mr. Dipan, and Sanjeev. I'll request you to introduce yourself one by one. Manish, if you can help me there.
Sure, I'm here. Yeah, so we can start with Dipan Garg.
Okay. Well, I'm Deepan. I am basically based out of Chandigarh. We are into business of manufacturing. We manufacture paper. We manufacture craft paper, writing, printing paper, tissue paper. And we have some packaging units also. And recently, we have diversified into lithium-ion battery plant. We are now manufacturing, or rather assembling, these lithium-ion batteries. And my hometown is Yamunanagar. Basically, I've just shifted to Chandigarh 2-3 years back. So that's it. Thank you.
Shivani Sharma.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, my name is Shivani. I'm basically from Udaipur, Rajasthan, and I'm a digital marketing executive. Currently, I'm heading a startup project named Skill Labor. It is a job seeking portal where not only the white collared executives are welcome, but also the blue collared ones are covered. So, any kind of human resource needs companies that we will fulfill everything and anything.
Manoj ji.
Yeah, sure. Hi, good morning. So I'm Manoj. I'm based out of Delhi, and so I've been into IT industry for last 25 years. Now into startups for last 3-4 years, and I've been mentoring startups as well as have my own startup into telecommunication. So we basically make products for telecom industry as well as using technologies like blockchain and all. And so that's it.
So, thank you, Manoj ji. So I would like to invite Rajesh Budhraja ji, Ravindra Mishra ji,
I think Sanjeev
Suchita.
ji is also there.
Sanjeev ji is right now is not available.
No,
So,
okay, great.
Manish,
Yeah.
just a minute. We have to go through the presentation now for the existing members. So we have PPT for that.
Okay.
You can see my PPT now.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
So welcome all in Inner Circle meeting. And as we all know that, we discuss about what is this Inner Circle all about and what is eGrowth. So Inner Circle is a power networking structure consisting of handpicked entrepreneurs who meet regularly to build business. And there are 5 core elements for it. One is exchange of opportunities, problem solving, knowledge sharing, and second degree contacts, and expand industry connect. So with this Inner Circle meeting, those who are new, specifically this is for them to understand that here you are getting these opportunities and you can expand your business. we also talk about the promise. So Atulji, I'll request you to take this promise from everyone.
Right. So how we will go about it is, I'll start with I and then your name. You share your name, and then after that we go through the entire promise. All right. So I, Atul Puri,
I,
Rajesh Budraja,
I'm Manish Kumar.
Amit Chawla.
am passionate about being in action,
Passionate about
I am
passionate about being in action,
being innovative and generous,
being
Being
innovative,
innovative and generous,
taking responsibility at all times.
taking responsibility
at all times.
I am committed to sustainable business
I am committed
Committed
to
to sustainable business.
in my space.
in my space,
Business experiences exponential growth.
business
experiences exponential growth.
Inner Circle continues to evolve as a structured ecosystem.
continues to evolve.
Inner Circle continues to be evolved as a structured ecosystem.
It is my promise.
It's my
This is
promise.
my promise.
It's my promise.
So thank you all. Yeah.
Thank you, Atul. So next time से सिर्फ थोड़ा correction ये कहूँगा कि जैसे अतुल कहेंगे I Atul Puri, and then he will take a pause. Then we all will speak like it used to happen in a school, because in that it looks better and everybody can understand it also. So thank you. So we have our eGrowth app where all the members, even Inner Circle as well as non-Inner Circle members are also there. So you get an opportunity to interact with them. There it's actually a business directory, a promotional wall, P2P chat, events and discussion forums. It is available on App Store as well as Google Play. So I'll request each and everyone to please download if you have not downloaded it, and if you have downloaded, take the maximum of utilization of it or benefit of it. This is a leadership team where Mr. Atul Puri is the founder, Mr. Hariya Sharma is the president, me myself is the vice president of eGrowth, Mr. Amit Chawla is handling the entire knowledge session along with Mr. Subdeepak Malwai, Mr. Manish Kumar is taking care of the visitors and as well as the members. Mithilesh Jhaji and Rajesh Pandit ji were presidents and vice president, and now they are into the strategy and the support to the group. We have Satya Gupta ji, Anand Pol ji and Vijay Shah ji. They are handling the industry connect along with Atul Puri and Mr. Shripat Kulkarni and Harjinder Singh Chimasa. We have Mr. Yogesh Wadhwani. He handles the inductions, and Nikit is also helping Manish Kumar in members enrollments as well as new members connect. So, Mr. Atul Puri, Manish, you can help if somebody miss. Mr. Manish Puri, sorry, Atul Puri, I'll request you to please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so I'm the founder of eGrowth, this platform, and Inner Circle is an invite-only section. That's what we're participating right now. My asks are connects with various industry bodies within India and across the globe. And my give is connections in the industry body as well as in all other industries. So manufacturing, trading, training, international business, all kind of connections. That is what I can give. Thank you.
Thank you. So everyone needs to, ensure that they are finishing their introduction in a very small time, the way Atul did it. So I'll request everyone to be, stick to time in that case. Mr. Hariya Sharma is not there today. So he's into baked pops business, multigrain pops business from Nasik. He's the president of eGrowth, Inner Circle. Yeah, my name is Virendra Ingle, and I'm a business coach as well as retail franchisee coach. I'm also a serial entrepreneur having multiple brands into pharmaceutical retail chain, mobile app like BizMIS, and into business consulting. Having 20 plus years of corporate experience with companies like Tata, Teleso, and Sony Pictures. At a very senior level, I'm on a mission to help solopreneurs and SMEs and MSMEs to create next level leaders and autopilot their business by one-to-one business coaching, business consulting, and also helping companies in setting sales and distribution setup, appointing channel partners for IT, in a pan-India level, retail franchisee rollouts for their brands, entrepreneur skill development or sales training. I have already trained more than 100 companies and transformed more than 1,000 individuals in my one-to-one coaching. My ask is business group and business owners with 10 plus team and 1 crore revenue. And I'm offering 30 minutes free call to address the key business challenges which you are facing, and also giving BizMIS, my app, for absolutely, at 50% discount to all the Inner Circle as well as eGrowth members. So thank you very much. Amit ji.
Yeah, so my name is Amit Chawla. I'm a business clarity coach with about 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software industry. I'm also a Jewish Talk speaker and author of the bestseller book, The Clarity First. Nowadays, what I do for a living is I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in attracting high-paying customers and also creating a high-performing team that will take the company to the next level and accelerate their growth. And I do this through my personalized one-to-one clarity coaching sessions, which I do from my office called Clarity Hive in Gurgaon. I coach the founder and the leadership team. In my last role in the corporate world, I had grown the company almost 10 times in 6 years. So that's kind of a background I carry. My ask is connecting with tech entrepreneurs or software companies making software services or product with 50 plus team members, could be 50 to 500, and 10 CR plus revenue. And gift from my side is a free 90-minute strategy session with these tech entrepreneurs, where I can help them, give them some value so that they can grow their business. That's all I have. And by the way, I'm also had one H2H yesterday with two senior members of our chapter, Rajesh Kudirajaji and Atul Puri. So thank you for visiting Clarity Hive. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. I think Mr. Subdeepak is not there.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Manish, by profession, I'm chartered accountant. I'm providing the tax and business consultancy to business owners and providing to take the business for the next generation. So thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mithlesh Jha. I'm into logistics since 1998. My company Techies India is having their offices in Singapore, and we have our warehouse in China also. So we are into logistics of 10 kg cargo to 10,000 metric ton cargo, either import or export. We are also doing third country shipment, and you can connect me for any export import related query, EXIM related query for consultation. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajesh Pandit. Our company is Amicus Infotech Private Limited. So it's an IT company which is into development of web as well as mobile applications. So we have been in this field for last 25 years, and we have more than 500 projects to our credit. And so we have been operating globally with our users in around more than 132 countries. Very fortunate to have worked with the companies like IBM, Lenovo, Procter & Gamble, which are best in their own respective domains. So we have an Salesforce automation application which we are focusing right now in Indian market, and it helps companies to take complete control on their on the activities of their guys who are on a move, right from their remote attendance to their sales orders, to their travel itineraries and all that, planning, everything else. And my ask is that you can just introduce me to the companies who have more than 10 people, sales guys or 10 people also who are moving in the field, so that they can just have their activities effectively tracked. And I can introduce you to the companies where I'm just having this kind of an applications. So I'm preferably the food and beverage companies. So if anyone wants to have any introduction, so I can just introduce you there. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Satyan Gupta, a social entrepreneur from New Delhi. Presently, I am at Goa, and that is why I'll be there only for half an hour. My next session starts there. I had a startup called Blue Town India, connecting the unconnected people in rural India with public-private partnership with BSNL and RailTel, the government telco. In addition, I'm also chairing Bharat IPv6 Forum, which aims to take the country towards Atmanirbhar Connected Bharat. In addition, there is a Section 8 company, a foundation we are running, that is DigiGam Foundation. For that, actually, my ask will be to connect me to the CSR heads of your company or your connects. To ask for the support to my DigiGam Foundation. My give is I can conduct a workshop on blue ocean strategy for yourself, your staff, your connects, and your network. Today, I've also invited my friend Manoj Mittalji, who is a ICT business owner, and I think he has logged in already, and you will have to motivate him to join the inner circle. Thanks a lot.
Satyaji. Mr. Anand Pol.
He's not there today.
Mr. Vijay C. Shaha.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. The secret of success of going from local to international lies in your number, your birthday, your name, your mobile number are the secret. People don't know about this secret since many years, so this is a very ancient knowledge and with the wisdom of know. I can give the complimentary analysis of your mobile numbers and your budget also within just 2 minutes only. Do call back and take your business global. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay. Mr. Yogesh Wadhwani.
I don't think he's there.
Mr. Sripat Kulkarni.
He is also not there.
Mr. Harjinder Singh Chima.
Mr. Chima is also not
not available.
Is there?
No, he's
No.
not there. Dharmishta is there.
Good morning, eGrowth. As always, happy to be here in the midst of Goldmine members. I help people invest such that they have freedom of time and money. Based in Mumbai, services span India into insurance, mutual fund, Mediclaim, wills, and alternate and passive income. Husband being a CA, we are a one-stop solution for all your financial products. In case you would like to know what are the pathway or how, what, why is it so required to have freedom of time and money? Please ensure that you have a 30-minute complimentary call with me, and we'll definitely channelize the action such that you get it to the right goal. That's it from me, Dharmishta Shah, leading financial advisor. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharmishta ji. Mr. Anand Kumar Naik.
Anandji?
Good morning, everyone. Again, this is Anand Kumar from Hyderabad. The countdown for water and waste management exhibition come webinars has started. I have posted the registration link into the chat. I will repost it once the chat is open again. I kindly request each and every one of you to register and visit that exhibition. I'm sure that every one of us, we are going to explore new business opportunities during that exhibition. I welcome all of you to visit the exhibition, and the link I have already put into chat. I will again repost it once the chat is open to all. Thank you. This is Anand Kumar from Hyderabad.
Great.
Good morning. This is Rajesh Budraja from New Delhi. I did my chemical engineering from IIT Kharagpur in 1976. And after that, I've been in the corporate world for about 42 years in companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd, Roots Cooling Systems. The last 2 years back, I created a platform called ZS India. It is a knowledge platform, one of its kind in the country, where I've brought in experts with more than 30 years of experience in areas like industrial air conditioning, natural ventilation, smoke and fume extraction, automation and control. So, these are experts with total collective knowledge experience of 235 years collective experience. And we offer our consultancy to the industry. Currently, I'm also the advisor to the chairman of a tire manufacturing company. They're putting up a new truck and bus radial project. So I'm advising him on all air conditioning, ventilation matters. So my ask is you can connect me to small to medium companies in the engineering sector who want to create a quantum growth in their optimization of processes. And my give is I can offer to groom, train, and motivate employees of small to medium engineering companies through the tools I've developed and used in the last 44 years. Thank you.
Rajesh. Ravindra Kumarji.
Good morning, everybody. I am Ravindra Mishra from Delhi. I am a telecom consultant at all levels, means all vertical of telecommunication, like licensing, regulatory, compliances, auditing. I support the telecom companies for their all regulatory affairs. My ask is connect me to any telecom companies in need, and give is anyone who has got, I've got a good relations with the government services. So anyone has got anything in government where they find that they need some help, I can help them. Thank you.
Rekha is not there. Next. Even he is not there. Ashta is also not there.
Next.
No.
Next. Next.
Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next.
Next. Oh, next.
Next.
Oh, next. Yeah. Next.
Next. Next. Next. Next. Next.
Next.
Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next. Next.
And
next. 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 All right.
Thank you.
Right. So thank you, everyone.
Excuse me, मेरा
Yeah,
हो गया.
Sujata, हाँ, please.
Yeah.
आप अपना please वो Yeah, so you please need to share your presentation so that that can be added.
Yeah, I'll do that.
I
Yeah,
have
please.
shared the presentation on a group so that everyone can fill it and send it back to me. In fact, I received it from Mr. Rajesh Buddhiraja as well as from Mr. Amit, and then a few more members. There is small correction. I think Mr. Rajesh I have included, but when I received a fresh PPT from Atul, again the old one was there. So I'll make the necessary correction, and next week we'll have a better. So I have seen there are
Keep it. I think keep it on a Google Drive so that if there is a correction, otherwise it will be a very hard work for you. Just updating that latest and then sending it back, and then if simultaneously two people do that, then you will have to do that. So keep it on a Google Drive so that everyone can just correct their respective these.
I'll do that. Yes, thank you for the input, Rajesh.
Just check the spelling of business category.
Okay. Right. Okay. So now let us have Sucheta introduce herself. Otherwise, they'll be left.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm Sucheta Acharya. I'm quilt manufacturer. I started my company in 2017 January. By 2020 February, my registered turnover was 7 crores. I'm into 6 international markets, and it's been a very good journey for me. My specific ask for this particular, and I would also like to mention, I have 250 employees working with me. It's a big team. I'm coming up with a new state-of-the-art manufacturing unit at rural Maharashtra, which is basically a cotton belt, and I'm integrating it backward. So it's really kind of a different kind of manufacturing unit, right from the procurement of the cotton to the quilt. So it's completely a new format of manufacturing unit I'll be having in future very soon, maybe 1 year down the line. The second vertical I would like to is we have a private limited firm which gives selling support to the women manufacturers all over India. Today, actually, even 2 women manufacturers, Indians, NRIs from US have joined us. That's a very good move. And we are just 100 days old. And we have 100 manufacturers from diverse products, from diverse geographical areas, from diverse turnover, I would say. I mean, 50,000 annual turnover to 500,000 annual turnover. So that is the diversification we are having. And this is a completely selling platform. We are giving online B2B. We have a very strong digital platform, online B2B selling, store-based B2B selling, and the export consortium. And the specific ask for this particular vertical of mine is please introduce me to the maximum women manufacturers across India and abroad, also the NRIs, I would say, so that they would make a better selling, or better they can increase their turnover. So thank you so much. This is Sucheta Acharya again from Hyderabad. Thank you.
Yes, I think everyone introduced, right? So one small thing before we move to knowledge session, that please fill your details. I'm going to share this on a Google Drive. So because there are chances that your email address are also not right. So please ensure that first of all send your email address on a chat panel today, so that I can send the PPT or share the PPT on a Google Drive, and you can complete and send it back to me. Right. So thank you very much. Now it's all to Mr. Amit Chawla for a knowledge session.
And also, Virender, the guest introduction will happen now or what time?
It is already done, sir.
Already done. Okay.
Yeah, we have changed the format now.
Okay.
First we do the guest introduction and then we move to
okay. Sorry.
No problem.
I'll be connecting with Manoj later on, Satyaji, because he introduced. So it's a very good connect. So thanks for getting him on board. All right. So good morning, everyone. So this is a knowledge session for about 15 minutes. And in this knowledge session, we share a bit of knowledge that I may have or somebody else may have. But I'll tell you the context for today. Okay. And this context is based on the survey which Atul did recently about taking inputs from all the members, what all can be done to improve in the inner circle. And I'm picking one very important point, which was reflected. It said was 48.4% of the members mentioned that they want to do more of business creation. Business creation should happen. Okay, so there's a poll.
Yes.
Atul, कुछ poll डाला है?
हाँ, डाला. आप you continue with your conversation. Let the people respond.
Okay. Yeah. So I forgot where I was. Okay. So this 48.4% of people said that they want to do more of business creation in this platform. And so that got us thinking. And I just mentioned there are two things which are already being done, but there's one part which we'll pick up today. So one thing which is happening is the create session, which happens later on, which Mr. Rajesh Budhiraja will do today. And there we pick up only the challenge a business owner may have, and all other members kind of contribute and help and support how that challenge can be overcome. But also in that discussion, in that session, you all, or we all actually listen and observe, Acha, if this is the problem with Mr. Rajesh has, ye to mere ko bhi hai. And if there are 10 suggestions, even I can implement. So that's one thing which is happening. Second thing is the knowledge session that we are anyway going through. And the last about 5 weeks or so, we've been focusing on the ask. Ask is so important. That why this ask is important, we talked about that. What is the ask? And how to ask. Very important, like it was mentioned by Mr. Sukhdibak last week, was ask has to be done like a child, like assertive, like a child. Ask for whatever you want and you will get it, right? So we have done that already. But there's one more part which is which came out in my last create session also. That feedback came was about industry connects. Industry connects. How can we leverage our network that we have and get entry into the other industry bodies that we have connects with, or we can invite them here. Okay. So in this session, what I want to do is I want inputs from all of you. And to just raise your hands if you have something about industry connects. And what I'm looking for is very specifically is what type of industry bodies you can connect us with, which means either you can get somebody from that industry body to come to this platform and give a talk, or somebody from here can go and give a talk there and get introduced there. Either of these things, right? How we'll get all this part, we'll figure out that logistics, we'll figure out later on. That's not a problem. So I just need volunteers to come out. And while you are thinking, I'll ask Atul, because he's an expert in this and he's been talking in many industry bodies. I'll ask Atul to just give some insight of what are the 3-4 bodies that you think would be beneficial for us, whom somebody can be invited here or somebody can go over there. Atul?
Yeah, so not 3-4, there should be 3,000-4,000 bodies across India whom we can connect. All right. So especially we've got industry associations in practically every industrial area across India. Okay. So whether that is the Mohali Industries Association, which is already associated with us, or it could be Nasik Industries and Manufacturing Association, NIMA, which is a pretty big body, or it could be Manoj was talking about Yamunanagar. Not Manoj, sorry, Deepan was talking about Yamunanagar. So Yamunanagar would have its own industry association. So any of these industry bodies, they can come and speak to us. So there are 2 benefits which are available. One is the manufacturers who are already there, they would have some requirements, and people from inner circle can serve those requirements. Second piece is people in inner circle would have some requirements, and those can be served by the manufacturers from those industry areas. Okay, so any association which is associated with a certain industrial area. Okay. Second, there are industry associations which represent a particular industry. For example, Satya ji, he is leading the Bharat IPv6 Council. So that is something very specific within telecom, and it represents an entire industry. It is not limited to a certain area. So there would be telecom equipment manufacturers who are associated. There are people who are working on the standards. Then there are people who are working on protocols. There are people who are working on software. All of them become associated with this industry association. All right. Then we would have chambers. Chambers are generally agnostic of the industry, but for a certain area, there are quite a few industrial associations who are associated with them, and so they are able to give a balanced conversation. They would also have a lot of policy interventions from the government side, which are generally not available to us. Okay. Then we also have export promotion councils. So we've got promotion councils for specific commodities. We also have export promotion councils, which are so 2-3 different kind of. So for example, there is an export promotion council for apparels. There is one for services like these. All right. So all these are different kind of associations. We can be associated with them either ways. So we can go and contribute to them, and they can come and contribute to us. I hope I've answered your question, Amit.
Yeah, so I'm looking for more actionable parts. So let's say in the next few weeks, what are the 1 or 2 connects that you can come?
I think Anandji and Virendraji have raised their hands. They would give us some names.
Yeah. So I'll go to Virendraji and Anandji. Before that, I want to just talk to Mr. Satya, because he's to, I think, log off in 5-10 minutes, and he has most industry connects than anybody of us. So Mr. Satya, if you can just share what you have to say on this topic of industry bodies, how you can connect us to some industry bodies as such.
Yeah, thank you, Amit ji. And yes, as Atul ji have already mentioned, I'm connected to, actually I founded, in fact, and one of my connect, Manoj Mittal, is already there. That's Bharat IPv6 forum. So there I can connect. Of course, it is just founded, actually. It is that is one body where we can connect all of you. In addition, there is another body where I can help actually to connect, and that is our Digital Communication India Foundation. So that is another body. So these are the 2 bodies I can offer, and first we'll invite from them some of the representative or office bearer, and then we will tell them what we are doing and what is the takeaway by them or their members from them. So it has to be mutual, and then we sign up a sort of MOU. And I will suggest, in the meantime, we should prepare a standard, brief, crisp 1-pager MOU for such association. Just basically, it is win-win kind of association, give and take kind of thing, and like that. So sort of non-commercial kind of MOU we should be signing with them. And there should be a standard format, just as simple and as short as possible. So that is what I'll suggest.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Satya. That's 2 names that you gave. And also an action, Atul, for us to pick up is probably 1 or 2 page MOU to be there. That will be a good thing to pick up. Yeah, Mr. Anand, you had raised your hand. Can you share your views on this?
Yeah, I can personally help in getting connected, bringing the connects from food industry, infrastructure development industry.
Wow.
These are the 2 major industries where everyday cash flow is moving here and up and down. And there's a lot of scope in both these industries.
Very nice. Any name of these food industry bodies that you can share?
Okay, if you want the names, you can take DMart.
Mm-hmm.
You can take Venky's India Limited. You can take Amul.
No, so these are you are talking about organizations. We are talking about industry bodies.
Yeah, they themselves, they are the bodies. Not only organization, they are the bodies also.
Okay, fair enough.
Amul itself is a body.
Yes, Amul is, yeah.
Yeah, Venky's itself is a body.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all are at playing at global markets.
Right.
Very nice. Very nice.
Infrastructure. We have L&T. We have mega infrastructure developments from Hyderabad. So these type of industries, yeah, they will be always a good backbone for us.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we'll, I think, who's leading that initiative, Atul, for Industry Connect?
So as of now, I'm there. So we've got Satyaj is a part of that. Chima
to
Sahib is
add
a
it
part
to
of that.
this, time permits.
Mr. Virender.
Yeah. So rightly said by Satya. So I'm working on this for a few more connects. So I had a word with Atul also last time. If we can have three things with us, one is MOU as suggested by Mr. Satya. That is one thing. Second is the profile, and third is what is that we can give to them. So whenever we go to any such organization, what is there for me is the very common thing which we are also looking for. They are also looking for. So what is that we as an eGrowth can contribute to their association? We need to have some write-up along with our profile. So if we can get some profile and we can handpick some people, those who are in close to them, like I'm in Pune, I will handpick few association and I will personally go and approach them on behalf of eGrowth, and then we can talk to them to connect. Because one approach is okay, how many people you know, and then there are few mentors or patrons, they can raise their hand and say, okay, I'm introducing 2 companies. But if we really want to make it success, then probably we can nominate ourselves. Like I will nominate myself for Maharashtra. So for Maharashtra, whatever associations are there, if we can as a inner circle leadership team, we can take out the list of all the associations, find out who is who in their association, and go along with that proper proposal with them and approach with them. So that will help us, even if it is not successful meeting, but at least there is a opportunity for us to connect in future.
Definitely.
So if we can create a proper docket where proper files and a folder, and if we can clear it to us the challenge of 10 or 5. I take a challenge of, say, for example, connecting with 5 or 10 associations. I'll go along with it and discuss with them as a person from eGrowth.
Awesome.
Very
Awesome.
nice.
That's a great piece. Any particular names that you have right now? Just a moment.
Mr. Vijay has some.
Yeah. No. So Virendra ji, any particular names that you have before we move on to Vijay ji?
A name like the way you said about NEMA, you talked about you talk about Computer Manufacturer and Sailors Association, CMDI. So such type of associations are there where I know few people. So we can connect with them. So these are the 2 things which I'm talking about. But we can list down the entire Maharashtra's association list. You also have, probably we can search in Google. We can find out who is the right person there, and we can go with the proposal.
I think that's an awesome thing.
That's that's great. Mr. Vijay.
Yeah, I would like to say something. And thank you, Atul and Virendra, for taking me in the team for the Industry Connect. Tough time since last 3 months in my life.
Vijay ji, we can't hear you properly.
आवाज ठीक नहीं आ रही आपकी.
नहीं, ऊपर से जरा फ्लाइट जा रही है. मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ, एयरपोर्ट के बाजू में रहता हूँ. Please wait for the 30 seconds. सर क्या है, मुझे सबको इंटरनेशनल लेके जाना है ना.
Okay. Right, Haji, please.
I was modeling something for my business in the legal technical में आ गया था. Then I got access to the 50 billion years. अरे 5,000 पुरानी जो साइंस है एनर्जी, इसकी मुझे एक्सेस मिली. इसमें से मैं बहुत वेक हो रहा हूँ और मैंने मेरे ग्लोबल बिजनेस चालू कर दी है. So I can be definitely, I'm looking for the collaboration with the eGrowth as a businessman. To the collaboration, I can introduce to a lot of people across the country, a lot of associations. I'm being part of a lot of NGO across the country. These 600 branches and plus, I've expanded my wings now.
So some names, Vijay ji, some specific names. Giants.
एक giants international है. मुझे अतुल जी इसमें क्या चाहिए? I want specific opportunity PPT presentation. When somebody gets with us, what we offer, no, they will offer in black and white with the testimonials also.
Yeah,
we'll in very crystal clear language. Kavlaji.
Yeah, I think thanks, Mr. Vijay, because we are getting out of time. So I think the takeaway that I've got is, Atul, probably if you can pick that up, is actually have a proposal and an MOU kind of drafted out that we can also, like Viren mentioned also, that hum kya denge? What can we give to them, because they have not come otherwise, right?
Absolutely.
So all that has to come in the proposal and the MOU and all that has to be there so that we can go and bring that out. That's one. Second is, if you can also drop a note in the group that people can just tell the name of the industry bodies they have connect with. So we can have this collation of these. That will be a huge thing, right?
Perfect.
All right. That's all I wanted to just cover. Thank you so much. Back to you, Viren.
Thank you, Amit. Yeah. Thank you very much. Superb. So now we will move to a create session, and today we have Mr. Rajesh Buddhiraja, who is going to present his create. And before that, I want Atul to tell us what is this create all about, how this create works.
Right. So create, the purpose of create session is to look at how we can support the business owners in resolving the challenges that they've got there in the business. So create is an acronym wherein C stands for challenges, R is for resolution, E is for empathy, T is trust, A is analysis, T is trust, and the second E is empower and enable. So I invite all of you to listen to the speaker from this perspective. C is challenge, R is resolution, E is empathy, A is analysis, T is trust, and E is empower and enable, such that we are able to have more value for each one of us. Yeah. Rajesh ji.
Yeah, so can you let me share my screen?
Yes, you're already a co-host. And how we will go about it is that first Rajesh ji will share a presentation where he'll talk about his business, and then at the then he will also talk about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats that the business has. And then he will put one challenge in front of all of us. We will take around 15 minutes to deliberate on that challenge. Yeah, Rajesh ji.
Yeah, I'm not able to enlarge my screen.
So just go to bottom on the right hand side, the fourth icon.
Just a sec. Bottom में कहाँ है?
हाँ, ये जो जहाँ percentage लिखा है उसके साथ वाला जो था. There are 4 icons. नीचे वो right hand side में था, percentage के एकदम साथ में. हाँ, ये देखिए नीचे जो एक highlighted है square, उसके साथ वाला एकदम third वाला. Next, right. This one, yes, click.
Yep. Okay, thanks. Okay, that's I'm a founder of a platform called ZS India. And what we stand for is our immense experience, passion to work, and a team of very highly creative people. Now, ZS India is actually an engineering knowledge platform. It's probably one of its kind in the country. Normally, you will find consultants in organizations. You have consulting organizations who focus on one focus area. Let's say you have an air conditioning consultant, or you have a wastewater management consultant, or you have an IT consultant. After about 42 years in the industry and having worked in a huge amount of industries, huge amount of companies, what I did is I said, yesterday I was talking to Amit, that a lot of people have so much of wisdom with them, which they carry away with them when they die. So I learned a catchword some years ago. It was called die empty. And one of the brilliant examples of that is our former president, Abdul Kalam Azad. He died giving a presentation. He was giving a presentation to young minds, and he collapsed there. and that was it. So, he died empty. He just wanted to empty out everything. So when I heard about this die empty, I said, I don't want to hit the graveyard carrying knowledge and wisdom away with me. So after I finished my stint in the corporate world for 42 years, I looked around and said, let me hunt people who are experts in different domains and not let them lead a retired life, because they have so much of practical experience. So I have today on my platform, people who have a cumulative experience of 250 years. And the areas in which they have experiences, HVAC, which stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, evaporative cooling systems, which are, productivity enhancement systems. All automobile companies, their shop floors are air cooled to give comfort to people. Natural ventilation, I am probably one of the few people in India who are experts in this particular field. It's not a very well practiced subject, but there are very few people in India, and you'll be glad to know one of the largest natural ventilation plants in India is a company called Vedanta Aluminium, owned by Mr. Agarwal. It is the world's largest aluminium smelter located in Jharsuguda in Orissa. It is 1.2 million tons per annum. The earlier largest one was in the Middle East, 0.75 million tons per annum. This plant has 16 buildings, each 1.2 kilometers long. 16 buildings, each 1.2 kilometers long. And in an aluminium smelter, there's huge amount of heat. There is a melting section where you melt the ingots and get, molten iron, aluminium. And then you have different castings. When you're producing different products, mechanically ventilated with mechanical exhaust fans, the energy needed would be phenomenal. So this plant has total, naturally it is ventilated, exhaust going out. It's a principle called the stack effect, the chimney effect. You earlier used to have tall buildings, very cool buildings, with one of those Roshandans on top. So, these days people close all rooms. So ventilation is not really practiced very extensively. So I am one of the few people in India who specialize in this. Then I have people on my platform who are experts in smoke, fume, and dust extraction. It's a very interesting subject. If I were to, let's say, extract smoke in a room, let's say I'm sitting in this room and I have a agarbatti here. And if I want to take away the dhua, the smoke, and I put an exhaust fan some 10 feet away on the wall, this will first spread to the entire room. So in the process, it will contaminate the entire air. And that fan, I would need a very high power fan to pull out this from such a large distance. So the experts we have is who, with probably 1/10 the energy, can extract the fumes from where they are being emitted, or dust from where it is being emitted. So then I have people in mechanical, electrical, and plumbing who have 30 to 35 years of experience in that. Public health engineering stands basically, effluent treatment, sewage treatment. We have WWM coming up. And I've seen that one of the challenge industry is now facing is going to be about the new pollution laws which have come in. They're going to make this a very focus area, wastewater management. I have experts in automation and control, which is today a buzzword in the industry to optimize your operations, with automation and control, with BMS systems, with SCADA systems. These are technical words. So I have experts whom I have brought on to my platform. So if you can see, this kind of a collective body is a rare thing you will find in India. Now, I myself, like I said, I have 42 years of experience in companies like Thermax, Punjaloid, Roots Cooling Systems, And I've handled variety of subjects, heat recovery systems, cogeneration and combined cycle, vapor absorption chillers.
Rajesh ji, can we please
Yeah.
be fast on this piece? Yeah.
Yes, sure. Now, as a company, each project we do is a work of art. And we are committed to evolve the most effective and optimum solution for the industry. Hundreds of our systems, which each one of us has created, has delivered exceptional results for the industry, and which is what we bring onto the platform. And often I've found complex issues have simple solutions. These are the industries where most of us have worked in our team, right from, you can see it's a wide spectrum of industries we worked in. People who I have on my platform are some of the key people. Pradeep Chaudhary has got about 5 decades of experience in air conditioning. Mr. A.K. Bhatia from IIT Delhi, he's got 42 years of experience in fume industry extraction. Mr. S.C. Singhal is an engineering graduate from 1974, got 45 years experience in electrical system design. Prabhat Goel from my college in Kharagpur, he's one of the experts in automation and control. And I have Commander Atul Rodgi, who last was a joint director in the Indian Navy and a specialist in air conditioning for submarine and ships. So this particular project we did for Ernst & Young, a lot of them were offshore applications like ADNOC and the Saudi Aramco refinery. And I found Commander Rodgi being very useful here because what metals to use. We were actually retained by Ernst & Young to give them value engineering. These are some of the companies where we've done in the last 2 years projects for natural ventilation and cooling in Ralston Tire, Ludhiana. There's PPAP Automotive. So automotive companies, Mita is a Italian company into tractor harnesses. Switzer is a German company. We have done a lot of natural ventilation projects. Central air conditioning project, we are the consultant to a company called Knorr-Bremse. They are a German company making locomotive braking systems. They're based here in Haryana. This is a very exceptional thing we got on our platform. We were made the technical advisor to the chairman and director of a company called Ralston Tire. They are putting up a truck and bus radial project. So the chairman of this company took me as an advisor to advise him on all air conditioning and ventilation matters. They already have a consultant, but he's retained us for value engineering. I was just putting down the SWOT analysis of our company. The strengths is we are probably one of its kind in the country, one of the kind technical platform, and the large and diversified practical experience of over 3 decades of each person. Our team members are actually acknowledged experts in each of their subjects, and we are therefore a one-stop solution to a lot of challenges which the industry is facing today. Our expertise is in value engineering, and like I already mentioned, I'm probably one of the few people in India who are experts on natural ventilation. Our weakness is, the awareness of industry in the last 2 years. This has been formed only last 2 years. So that's a bit of a weakness area, that how do we get across to the industry? The opportunity I see is today, a lot of companies are not coming up with greenfield projects. Greenfield means new projects. So a lot of companies are looking to optimize their current operations, to optimize their operations, to reduce the energy consumption for producing the same product. So that is a great opportunity area for our team. And what we are very strong in is to create cost-effective solutions for the industry. One of the threats which I'm seeing is, since this platform depends on a lot of people I brought onto the platform, what if some of these people, tomorrow are not there, physically are not there? So my purpose is to continue looking for people, continue adding more people onto my platform. So if one person for some reason physically is not there, I have other people available with me. The ways we've so far in last 2 years done how to get business for us is we connect with architects so that we become part of their platform to give them all these technologies. I've tried through LinkedIn, networking forums like eGrowth. I've been connecting with past contacts. Personal meetings, of course, are constrained right now. And the membership of industry bodies is something which I see is going to help us. I'm already a member of ISHRE and ACREX, which are the air conditioning bodies in India. And I'm now in the process of taking membership for CIA and PhD also. My ask is from the group is if you can connect me to technical heads and manufacturing heads of organizations. And what kind of organization? These are tire manufacturing companies, steel manufacturing, automobile companies, pharma, chemical, food and beverage, FMCG, plastic, white goods. So any industry which is consuming a lot of energy, which is having older automation and control systems which can be upgraded to improve their manufacturing. Location, of course, currently we are restricting ourselves to India. And company size of medium to large, over 300 crores as a turnover. And what pain areas, with companies which are facing these pain areas, that they are having older plants, they cannot earmark funds for capital equipment replacement, but instead would look at optimization. And that I see post-COVID is a great opportunity area. From eGrowth, of course, I'm looking at connect with industry bodies. So this was briefly my create session. What I'm looking at is therefore one, connect to experts in more areas, like I've already registered for the WWM, and I'm looking at some expert in wastewater management system who I can bring onto my platform. I am not restricting myself to engineering areas. Like I yesterday was telling Amit that he's a profound creative clarity coach, and I want to introduce him to some companies, smaller startups who have started last 3, 4, 5 years in my domain of air conditioning.
So Rajesh, let's make it more specific. What is your one challenge that you want to address right now?
My
not ask and challenge are different.
My one challenge is, of course, since the platform is based on experts, so these experts may not be available forever with me.
Right.
They are, some of them is 75 plus. So tomorrow if somebody pops out.
Fine.
So I need to have more people on my platform. Tomorrow I may not be there. Like the question you asked me.
Yeah.
I may not be there. Would ZS India as a platform still thrive and survive?
Right.
So I am looking for experts in different zones, different segments, whom I would like to bring onto a platform. I'm even thinking, like I shared with you yesterday, a lot of IITians in our alumni. I probably want to bring them onto my platform. So, because all of them have a lot of knowledge and resource with them. So that one challenge is I need to keep having more people.
Okay.
Who are on my platform.
All right. So getting more experts on the platform is a challenge, right?
Correct. And two is how to let this platform be known.
No, which is the one challenge you want to speak on? Getting more people. Both. Or how to get? No, one for this conversation.
I think the second one.
Okay, great. So how to get this platform known
across the country.
Fantastic. Yeah. So the floor is open for all of us to give their inputs. I think Vijay ji has raised his hand. So you can stop sharing the presentation.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Rajesh ji?
Yeah.
There is a fight is going on. It will take you internationally.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
एक मिनट सर ऊपर से फ्लाइट जा रही है. Please, I'm very sorry. सबसे पहले बताऊं ये राजेश जी, आपका जो माइंड सेट है ना वो स्पिरिचुअल ज्यादा है कंपेयर टू बिजनेस। आपके नंबर एनालिसिस किए, आपकी लाइफ खाली संघर्षपूर्ण जीवन रही, एवरीथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेट, यू आर हाईली प्रोफेशनल, लेकिन यू आर नॉट एक्टिंग विद द बिजनेस माइंड, इफ योर नंबर स्टिक्स आउट। आई चेक अप द Rajesh Budhraja, GS India, the what you say energy is a contradicting. I can give you the result within 1 minute only. Please give me your birthday. I'll come back after 1 minute only. राजेश जी आपकी बर्थडे बताइए।
ओके, तो ये 1-on-1 कर लीजिएगा प्लीज।
नहीं सर, बर्थडे पूछता हूँ यार।
हाँ
10 सेकंड लगेगी।
हाँ
राजेश जी, योर बर्थडे प्लीज।
My date of birth?
Yes.
30th April 1954.
Okay, fine. I'll get back to you at the end.
Okay, done, great. Virendra ji.
Rajesh ji, the experience and the entire, I'm just looking at the overall, because I was also into training and placement of engineers, and specifically in the domain which you are talking about, into corporates. And what I've seen that yes, there is a huge gap. So when you are talking about how I can reach out to more people and how can I, ये जो platform है आप लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचाने चाहते हैं, आपने LinkedIn का एक benefit लिया है, but along with that you can try different other groups which are specifically engineers group, like groups of people, those who are, so you are trying to connect with people, those who are coming on your platform as an expert, and parallelly you need to find out people, those who are your customers.
Yes.
Right. So because getting them on a board as an expert is something which you can do, I am damn sure, because you have a connect like that. Yes. And you can reach out to go to LinkedIn and search for people with that specifications, you'll get it. But you have to parallelly work on getting the customer base for it. If you don't get a customer base, then down the line you'll find that this entire people, those they will lose interest in being with you. So that is something which you need to do immediately to probably promote your platform to more people, so that they get the advantage of your platform first. And then people will slowly and gradually. So it is like, when eGrowth started, so initially people started coming in. When they started getting, so people started raising, and okay, I also want to join with you as an expert. So this, reverse mechanism will work for you probably.
Yes. Thank you.
Rajesh ji. Rajesh guiding Rajesh.
Budhi Rajesh, like so I have been so I had a one-to-one with you previously also. So your the kind of a knowledge you have, the kind of a value you bring to the table is enormous. Now going to your challenges. Now यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि that the organization is very loosely connected. So you are expecting new people to join. You are expecting the present. So what is the incentive for them to join and to be with you, say for a long time, unless and until you guarantee them an constant business. So वहाँ पे उनका stake क्या है? So what is their stake on there, so that they can also bring value to them. आप उनको feed करते रहे, मतलब you are going to get business for them. So you will have to evolve a kind of a mechanism. They also get business. So वहाँ पे अगर आप इनके कुछ stakes रखते हो, that in the mind also, so the loyalty to the platform goes there. अगर यहाँ पे जो आपको key members है, so if there are key members, even if you give them 20% stakes in this, तो एक ownership लगती है. So once they have the ownership, so they will just, so ये एक autopilot mode पे चला जाएगा. And so आपके दोनों challenges से meet हो जाएंगे. One is that sustainability, like who's going to carry it, so whose ownership is currently, so they are not, so they don't have that feeling of ownership. So they are there only to get business. So that is my take on the entire thing.
You see, there is a two-way system here, because all of them see me as a great connect with the industry. My strength is I have tremendous connect with the industry.
Yes.
I have expertise in some areas myself, but a lot of other areas, they have the expertise. So when we take on, the list of projects which I listed down, in each of these, whatever fee we got, there was a stake they had in that. There was a revenue they were generating. So they continue to stay with me because I keep getting them revenue.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They continue staying, but then they don't have ownership. The system should be, they should get the business also. They should feel like
that is also the reverse.
yes, reverse should also be them. So there is a true ownership. Like so, while so the owners of getting getting that business, if it is so if they have that zeal also, because they are also expertise, they are not only doing this. So they are also doing their own respective projects. So over there, if they get you connected, so that will be the win-win situation.
Yeah. So if they get me connected, say, to an industry in which their focus area is not there or their specialization is not there, but somebody else from the platform can give value engineering, so they get a share out of that also.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
Can I go next? I have to actually go. Yeah. So Rajesh, very nice presentation. We did talk about this yesterday. So what I wanted to, I did mention yesterday also a bit. Let me explain. So when you talk about Zeos as a platform, and that should exist for long, then you can probably position it in a bit different manner, or probably an enhanced manner, which is it's a platform for experts who are passionate about energy conservation, not only air conditioning, but maybe expand it to a bigger kind of forum as such. And like I mentioned, in UN, there is a SDG goals. If you know Sustainable Development Goals, I mentioned 2030. There is a goal called number 7, which is called affordable and clean energy. Affordable and clean energy. And there's a lot of initiatives maybe happening globally around this. And if somehow you can kind of just read and research on that and bring that up and create this platform as a platform in India platform of experts, and you could have only 15, 20, 25. No need to have like hundreds, because hundreds ho jayega to expert nahi hoga, because your expertise seems to be in actually having experts. Aapki expertise hi wo hai, because you're getting people who are thinking of retiring or going to the grave. You brought them to life, and they are now giving that wisdom and knowledge. So that's a beautiful thing that you're doing. It's an energy conservation not only for the companies and all that, it's also for the people. Right? Because they are coming back to life. So yeah, you're recreating the life of those who are 70, 75, and they're coming back and contributing. So it could be a big impactful thing which can sustain on its own. So I would say you have a lot of potential if you play this card well and create the Zeos as an energy conservation kind of a platform of experts in India.
Yes.
Right, and they can contribute to global economy also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe I think for reach, I need to sit with Atul. Because eGrowth again was a platform he built out of thin air, and he's brought it to this level today. So maybe between him and Rajesh Pandit, because he's been one of the backbones to create the visibility impact for eGrowth. So maybe a little more detailed conversation with both of them to see how I can make this more visible to the industry.
Absolutely.
Sure.
All right. Yeah. So let's have Sucheta ji share.
Yeah, actually मुझे राजेश सर का आइडिया बहुत अच्छा लगा डाई एम्प्टी that I really meet many people who are very senior and उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge रहता है शेयर करने के लिए और हमारे पास लेने के लिए टाइम नहीं रहता है very frankly. So this is a very good platform. But जैसे राजेश पंडित जी ने बोला है कि what value addition you are doing in your own business, आपके platform पे क्या आप value addition ला रहे हो? I just compare this situation with my own company, new startup. हम लोग अलग-अलग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. What we are doing is we are inviting the manufacturers from different fields who are successful in their own area. We are taking them on leadership basis and getting associated with them. And एक particular हमारा target achieve होने के बाद we are providing stake to them in our company. तो मुझे लगता है ये हम लोगों ने काफी ब्रेन लगा के सबका then we took the inputs from many industry experts and then we arrived to this conclusion कि लीडरशिप पोजीशन एक प्रोवाइड करने के बाद एक जैसे फूड इंडस्ट्री है या एक टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है, तो पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री से एक लीडरशिप पोजीशन उनको प्रोवाइड करके, एक्सपर्ट्स को प्रोवाइड करके, उनका जो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे उनका जो वैल्यू एडिशन है वो एक लेवल पे अचीव होने के बाद वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम स्टेक इन आवर कंपनी। सो मुझे लगता है ये भी एक अच्छा तरीका होता है अपनी खुद की कंपनी को बढ़ाने का। जैसे राजेश पंडित जी ने बोला, मैं उसका थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंशन ले रही हूँ। सर राजेश पंडित जी, क्या मैं सही बोल रही हूँ?
बिल्कुल, yeah, exactly, yeah.
You know, in fact, another unrelated person I've brought onto my platform is a guy who can help companies with the fundraising, PE, IPOs, venture capitalists. So he was at one time in Chandigarh as a director in PSIDC, and he's now connected with a lot of funding houses. And I brought him onto my platform recently, last week only. He says anybody who needs funds, access to funds, if I feel excited about the project, I'll get funding for that particular project. So, that again, not restricting myself only to engineering, bringing in more people, diverse areas onto the platform.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, Anandji, you've raised your hand again. Something else?
Yeah, just Rajeshji, I think we had one-to-one earlier also.
Yes.
Again, I am bringing out the same point. Instead of saying air conditioning, can we little bit modify it as air management?
Yeah.
It will give even wider exposure, and it is not only cool air has to be managed. Sometimes we have to manage the air with a particular temperature for a particular business actions.
Yes.
So in those areas, I'm sorry, I failed to connect you to the concerned people. I promised you because of this WWM, but very soon I will arrange a one-to-one with you and those people.
Yeah, I spoke to Mr. Krishnamurthy the other day.
Yeah, he's our official spokesman
Yeah,
for
I know. So
WWM.
I've already told him I'm looking for a consultant, somebody who's probably retired but with a lot of knowledge, freelancing. So I see this as a large opportunity area in the industry.
Yeah. At the same time, I will like to have a request to you and all the seniors to try to train the next line.
Yes. Yes.
Which I am trying in my field, I am trying it practically. Try to train the next line. You may get some more additional inputs also from the newer generations.
Yes.
At the same time, we can what I can say is percolate the knowledge which we have accumulated during our course of life.
Yes. In fact, Atul suggested yesterday, some of the success stories of each one of our people. If I could assimilate that and put out blogs frequently, and maybe even do some training sessions, coaching sessions on different subjects. I can do a training on natural ventilation and let more youngsters know the subject, so this knowledge doesn't die with me.
All right, great.
Yes.
Sorry, Atul, last one
Yeah,
second.
please.
So normally it is said that if you share 70% knowledge, 20% offers, and 10% sale, you get more success into digital platforms. So even if you are starting your YouTube channel and try to connect with people, those who are specifically from this industry, they will start looking up to you as a consultant online. And down the line, for a specific purpose or a big project, they can call you for the business.
So what did you say? 70% knowledge, 20% offers, and 10%?
Direct sales.
Sales.
Sales. Okay.
Direct.
That is
product price.
That is a good model for the age group of wherein Mr. Virendra is there right now.
No, it is for everyone, sir. So even if you look at yourself or Mr. Budhiraja, the knowledge bank which you have is tremendous. We don't even stand there. Now, whatever knowledge you have, if you start giving that knowledge to people like us, those who are at a comparatively matured in front of you, it help us to grow in our business, and that's how we get connected with you, right? And then 20% is something where you talk about what is that you can do for them in terms of and how we can work together in the form of offers. And then 10% is a direct sale. Okay, this is my offer and this is what my price. If you want, take it. Otherwise, if you keep just the way, there are lot many people, they are only running their YouTube channel and they are getting business out of it. I mean, if the time permits, I would have told you the stories of few people where they are just sharing. Even in Chennai only, there is one guy, he's only talking about, cement and concretes and what kind of tools they can use. And he used to have a material supply business. Now, even builders are coming and telling him, why don't you endorse me? Companies are coming and telling him, why don't you endorse me on your YouTube channel? And he has got lakhs and crores of followers now, and he's taking price for it. So paisa kamana ek alag baat hai, aap kya dena chahte ho? What is your belief system is more important. That's what I mean.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Vijay ji, your last comments for today. Vijay ji. All right, great. So, so Rajesh ji, I hope you made note of all what you got now.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. So I'd just like to add to this that since you are talking about a platform, it's not about you.
Yes.
Okay. You might want to go back to your existing experts, do a feedback round or a two-way communication, asking them why are they here. They will be able to see certain things which you are not able to see. See, I face this challenge very often. I am so much attached to it. I see things in a certain way. But then I drop that and I am willing to listen to others. This is what I did during the feedback session, right?
Yeah.
And then there is something new which comes up. See, आपके customer को और आपके consumer को क्या चाहिए, you don't know that. Please be in that space. Only then you will get to know, you allow your customer to tell you what he is here for.
Yeah.
Which I think is true for everybody, whether you're running a platform or you're running any other business. The more you listen, the more are the chances of you to grow.
Yep.
ठीक है जी? I think so. Who will be Rajesh ji's buddy?
Amit.
So Amit is not here right now, but yes, we'll inform him. And then you please document all the inputs that you got, and then you have conversations with him and take it further. All right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now I think what we'll do is we'll get into the breakout session with the guests. And Rajesh ji, you'll join me there? Rajesh Pandit.
Yeah, I can do it.
Done. So Manoj and Shivani, I'll just send you an invite for a breakout room, and rest all of you can continue with the conversation.
Sorry, Mr. Atul, I couldn't understand what you're talking about.
I'm just sending you a request to join the breakout room. We'll talk more about Inner Circle, how you can benefit from here.
Okay.
Where's the link to join?
You'll just get a message. You're just getting a message right now.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. You got a message. Now you can please join there.
Yeah. Before that, Atulji, I'd like to have one-to-one with Shivani ji. I need some connects in Rajasthan.
Sure. We'll share her number with you.
Please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how was your experience?
Yeah, wonderful. I think I like this. I've been part of other forums as well, but not this kind of forum, which has been, around the novel concept of give and ask and give. Something which I found very interesting. So maybe that's the reason. I would like to basically learn more on this forum and see possibly how I can contribute to this forum.
Awesome. So I'll just come back to you. So Shivani, how was your experience?
Yeah, it was a great experience. I learned a lot, and I know it will be very much beneficial for me also. And a networking part where I will also go along with the.
All right. So any question that both of you have? Shivani and Manoj?
Yeah, I think one question would be like how to, I mean, first of all, I didn't get a chance since I got the invite last night only. I possibly spent some more time to understand it on my own, this platform, through the website. And if I have any question, maybe I'll come back to you because I mean, there are so many questions and I can, go and asking you, but there's no point. Let me have an attempt to.
So which is the one most important question that you have right now?
I mean, the one question which is on top of my mind is like frequency of this meeting. What's the frequency we meet often?
Right.
And yeah, I mean, the rest I'll discover on my own.
All right. Okay. So so first, eGrowth as a platform, as an idea, was conceived in 2014.
Okay.
And we've been building it ever since. Right now, as we speak, we have a loosely connected community of around 35,000 business owners. So manufacturing, trainers, traders, international business, all kind of business owners are there. We've got members from 6 countries: Australia, Thailand, Bangladesh, Dubai, as well as Canada. All right. We've got different kind of subscriptions. Inner Circle is a very specific one, which is an invite only platform. We meet every Friday morning, 7:30 to 9:30, as we met today. Okay. And in these meetings, we are primarily working on 5 elements: creating opportunities, resolving challenges. So what we did with Mr. Rajesh now, this is what we do very often, such that all of us, we are able to resolve challenges in our own businesses. All right.
Right.
Third piece that we work on is knowledge sharing. So we had a small knowledge sharing session. As business owners, we need some more knowledge every time, right? The fourth element that we work on is second degree contacts. See, all of us, we've got valued contacts. And when we share those are available to all of us. And in that process, that increases. And the fifth element is the industry connect. So I'm personally connected to around 100 chambers and associations. If we put entire Inner Circle together, we would probably be connected to around 300 industry bodies.
Right.
So we are talking about outward networking rather than inward networking. We are not saying that you come and network with Inner Circle. We are saying as Inner Circle, we will go and network with the other industry bodies across the globe.
Okay.
So this is what we've been up to. And Rajesh ji, he's been associated with eGrowth for a pretty long time. In fact, the portal that we've created, Rajesh ji's team has done that. Okay, so the entire portal, I conceived it, and he and his team brought it into reality. So for almost 4 years, every week there has been some update or the other. So that's a piece of art that Rajesh has created. So Rajesh, if you would please share what has been your experience.
Just one quick question before we move on to Mr. Nitesh. I mean, has this been like always a virtual meeting platform, or we do a face-to-face meeting as well?
So we used to do face-to-face meetings as well. Inner Circle, in fact, started as a physical interaction last year for Gurgaon. And then when we went online, we went international. So right now we got people from 5 countries in Inner Circle itself.
Okay.
We do have offline meetings as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what happens normally is, like, for example, now, so if I'm in Gurgaon, so I often meet members who are in another circle. So we have these face-to-face meetings, physical face-to-face meetings also.
Okay, great.
Yes. So because so once you build up that kind of a relationship, so people meet often. As Rajesh Budhiraja was saying that yesterday he had a meeting.
Follow group, you can go and have a face.
Yes.
Yes, and what happens normally is also, like, if Atul is going to Pune, or say for that matter, some members in Pune had a lot of meetings, physical meetings with their counterparts in say nearby cities.
Okay.
So they had, and similarly, Atulji took some members from here, and they had a so they toured the entire North India, and they had a lot of meetings with the industrialists, and they came back with a bag of a lot of orders. that was the best part of it.
Yeah, so just two weeks back, we had gone to Punjab. So 3 of us went from Delhi. We had 2 or rather 3 eGrowth members who met up in Mohali. Then we went to Nawashahar. So we had 4 industrial visits, met I think 5 chambers and associations, and that is how we kept on building.
That's wonderful.
Yeah. So it is a combination of formal and informal meetings, and virtual and real meetings. So we are a hybrid platform in the real sense.
Okay.
Maybe more towards the last 1 year because of pandemic, but
absolutely.
Otherwise, it's a good mix of all the possible modes.
See, I have personally driven around 80,000 kilometers across the country, and these 100 associations and chambers that I'm talking about, I have met all of them in their offices.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
That's
so I've been to Udaipur chamber in their office. So I know the chief operating officer there, the current one and the previous one as well.
Okay.
That's great. Yeah, that's
One
good.
more thing
Yeah, please, Shivani.
One more thing I wanted to ask is, like you said, this is inner circle is an invite only kind of meeting. So if I want to introduce my partner, or if I want to include, like, can I share the invitation link to her, or that is not accepted?
You're most welcome to invite people. When I'm saying invite only, we are conscious of the kind of people who are joining inner circle. All right. So first condition is the person has to be contributing in nature. So if you are here only to ask for opportunities, then we will not welcome you. All right. So you have to be somebody who's contributing, right? Second piece, you have to be into a business which is a B2B kind of a business. If you are into a B2C kind of a business, you will get suffocated here. Because B2C, you want transactions every minute. Here we may not have transactions every minute. Third element is you should have a business which is a pan-India or a global appeal. See, today we've got people from 15. So even though all people were not attending the meeting today, we've got people who are there from 15 cities. Okay. Sydney, Bangkok, Dhaka, Nasik, Pune, Hyderabad, Bombay, Delhi, Chandigarh, Nawashahar, Dubai, and a few more. So, okay. Now, this kind of a network, and that also, we got the 4th largest boiler manufacturer here. We got people into IT, we got people into services, all kind of people. And then we've got platforms who are our members. So Brahman Business Network is a part of, it's a member of eGrowth. Mohali Industries Association is a member of eGrowth. So we are evolving as a network of networks.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, that's.
In short, yes, you can invite your people, like, and who are willing to contribute, who are willing to take and give. Yeah.
See, one meeting is free for anybody on this planet. Okay. After that, either they take a call or we take a call. Yeah.
So for membership and all, like maybe I'll come back. So whom should I approach for membership?
So you can get in touch with me. We've got a lady named Ronika Bhatia. She's our community manager.
Okay.
So she will help you with onboarding, what are our different properties, how to create your profile, how to get in touch with others. And even otherwise, you can always call her back that you're looking for this kind of a resource, and then she'll get you connected to somebody else. Okay. So we are a man-machine combination. Okay. Yeah.
I have taken the membership. So like, is the inner circle included in that?
What membership have you taken?
I think the basic membership.
How much
I
did you
guess
pay? 3,000 rupees, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So that is that's a basic subscription, which is a do-it-yourself kind of a thing. So you have access to the contact details of all the people on the platform, both on the portal as well as on the app. You can post messages, you can post blogs and everything. In Inner Circle, you've been once, that is it. Inner Circle subscription, that is 30,000 rupees per annum, which includes the premium subscription plus participation in these meetings, plus industry connect and all that stuff. Okay, so that
you
is
can upgrade your
30,000.
current membership with
absolutely.
yeah. So paying the difference. Yeah.
Yeah. So you,
is that possible? Yes.
Absolutely, that is possible. So the subscription is 30,000 rupees. As a special deal, we are offering it at 20,000 rupees plus GST. And since Shivani, you've already paid the basic subscription, you will need to pay the difference. You'll not need to pay the entire thing.
Okay.
If you take a call within, say, a month or something.
Okay. Okay, that is fine.
Yeah.
So I'll be able to receive the details. Like
yes,
I need the
definitely. Yeah. We'll do that.
So should I contact like Ronika or?
Ronika is the best person. So if she has to get you connected to somebody, she'll do the needful.
Okay, fine. I'll talk to her.
Definitely, yeah.
And 20,000 means around 1,600 rupees per month. It should be should be our marketing budget. Yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So you are into digital marketing, so that is a PPC. So you pay 10 rupees per click. So you will see that how many clicks you are getting.
Yeah, exactly.
Manoj, any questions that you have?
No, I think this sounds all good, and I look forward to joining you all.
Perfect.
Atulji, so this offer is valid up to what date? Is this for this entire month?
This month, yeah. So basically, whenever somebody joins the meeting,
I
a span of 2 weeks.
That's why I'm asking.
A span of 2 weeks, this offer is valid for you. Otherwise, it is 30,000 rupees.
Okay. Sure.
Right.
So our next meeting is next Friday.
Next Friday, yeah.
Sure. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right then. Right.
All right. So we'll go back to the main room. I think there are a couple of people who would be waiting there. No, I don't think so.
Right,
There's nobody waiting there.
So we'll leave now, and
yes, absolutely, yeah.
And looking forward to see you all very soon.
Perfect.
Thank you.
So I'll ask Ronika to get in touch with you and do the needful. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Shivani. Welcome on board. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
बहुत इजी हो जाएगा और ये ग्रो कर सकता है चीजें।
उनको आप मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले आओ ना।
नहीं तो आपके यहाँ एक भी वर्टिकल मैंने टेलीकॉम का नहीं देखा।
तो टेलीकॉम का भी डाल देंगे। टेलीकॉम का भी डाल देंगे।
ऐड कर देंगे उसको, उसमें क्या है?
अब
मतलब मैंने ये देखा कि कई लोग मिलके इनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। हम लोग भी कई लोगों को मिलके एक ग्रुप में तो कई लोग मिलके हम लोग एक दूसरे की सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। उसी को और एक्सपैंड किया जा सकता है।
अब आपके पुराने मित्र बीके सिंगल
आपने बताया था
मेरे कॉलेज के हैं, तो वो भी तो फंडा
आज भी एक्टिव है। आज भी एक्टिव है, बहुत एक्टिव है साहब। हमारे
सो
secretary रह
वेरी
चुके हैं
इंटरेस्टिंग।
विकेश
सो
में।
जैसे कि रविंद्र जी और राजेश जी, मैंने आपको कहा वो सब नंबर्स में मत जाइए कि हम क्या पहुंचे हैं, ये सोचिए कि हम क्या दे सकते हैं, उसमें काम पे लग जाइए। हमें आप भेजिए, हम करेंगे आपके लिए। आप रोनिका को भेज दीजिए जो भी आपका रिकॉर्डिंग है या फिर टेक्स्ट आपने टाइप किया है। वी विल पोस्ट ऑन योर बिहाफ। वी आर ओके, वी आर रेडी टू शेयर नॉलेज फ्रॉम योर साइड। दैट्स टोटली फाइन विद अस। सो वी हैव आई थिंक आवर गेस्ट बैक इन आवर मेन ग्रुप। सो अतुल जी, क्या है आज का फीडबैक? You are mute.
So we had two guests who participated in this in the breakout room, and both of them are likely to join. One of them has already joined with a normal subscription. She will consider to upgrade, and Manoj ji is likely to join us. So that was the great news.
Very good.
Yeah.
Right. So
and the poll that we had just shared with all of you, we've got 10 people who are in favor of 7:30 to 9:30 Fridays, one person for 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and one person for alternate Fridays. So I think we will go ahead, we'll continue with the 7:30 to 9:30 session as it is going right now. So thank you all for participating in the poll and giving your inputs.
Manoj ji, I will get in touch with you very quickly. Manoj ji, I'll talk to you today.
Atul.
Yeah.
I want to give a small
I've
gift
shared
to
my
everybody.
contact number. So
मुझे सबको एक छोटी सी गिफ्ट देनी है।
Just
आपके मोबाइल में
Vijay ji, 1 minute. हाँ जी, Manoj ji, you were saying something.
no, I was saying, I was just replying to Mr. Ravind's question that I've shared my contact details. So please, looking forward to speak to you.
So I hope both of you know each other or no?
No, that's only I was surprised at the beginning.
Yeah.
That आप सत्या के नजदीक हैं और सत्या का कौन ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो कि अभी तक मेरे टच में नहीं आया। फिर हो सकता है मुझे मन में आया कि ये पैंडेमिक इफेक्ट में ही बहुत चीजें जो ऐड हुई होंगी, क्योंकि IPv6 में भी जो वो चेयर हुए हैं तो इसी पीरियड में हुए हैं वो।
In fact, I was there in the opening session.
Yeah, I was also there in opening session, but I couldn't connect because lot many foreigners और वो थे, तो इसलिए उसमें।
Correct.
Okay, great. Yeah. Vijay ji, you were saying something.
जी मैं जा सकता हूँ? I have to go somewhere. Yeah.
Sir, बड़ी मेहरबानी सर, आप रुके सर।
Just I'm taking permission. Thank you.
Okay.
मुझे भी थोड़ा परमिशन दीजिए।
Thank you
थोड़ी देर के
everybody.
लिए मैं भी
हम recording
break
complete
लूंगा।
करते हैं, उसके बाद में we can probably continue with this conversation.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.